Hi scientists, welcome back. In this video, we are going to be starting to fill out the data table from the bean experiment. So the first step to do today is to get out your lab report paper in your Google Drive. So let me show you the best way to do that. So first, you just need to make sure you're in your Google Drive, and in the search in Drive, you're going to type in my experiment beans. That is what I named it. So you should have something that says copy of my experiment beans, or it might just say my experiment beans. That's the quickest and easiest way to find it. And then just make sure you have all of the steps so far that we've done, and make sure you put your name here. Put your name, period 8, and we'll put today's date. Why not? Okay. Fill that out. So today we're going to do day 1 in centimeters. We're going to look at our beans and measure their length. So a lot has happened since I set up this experiment. So let me share what our beans look like. Okay, so here's the first color. Our first category was the white beans. As you can see, we've got a little bit of a root growing. Nothing here, nothing here. Our next one was the small brown beans. So this is what my small brown beans look like. Look at this. We have so many long roots growing out of 2 of these, and even a third one, a little bit less, but still very, very long roots compared to the white beans. These are much, much longer. And our third one was the large brown beans. So these are what the large brown beans look like. We have some growth, but not as much as the small brown beans, and they all look about the same. Okay, so today we're going to be measuring these with a ruler. All right, so we're going to start with the large white beans, and I'm going to use this one because it has the longest growth. Okay. So I know this is going to be hard to see, but I want to line it up with the end of the root, and I want to be careful not to break the root, so I'm not going to move it, but I am going to just kind of line, oh no, its cover came off. Oops. Hopefully the whole thing doesn't break. So I'm going to line it up at the end of the ruler, and I see that it goes to about 1.7 centimeters. It's about 1.7 centimeters. So let's go to our chart. 1.7. All right, next we're going to do these small brown beans. So let's take one of these small brown beans. We're going to take the longest one, and I'm going to lay its root out nice and long without bending it or breaking it. And I'm going to line it up right at the end. Make sure you guys can see that nice and focused. Okay, so it looks like this is going all the way to 7.4. So we're going to write down 7.4 in our table. Okay, and next we're going to do the large brown bean. And I'm going to use the one that has the root that is stretched out the most. Let me line that up where the root starts, right there. So this one looks about 2 centimeters exactly. So we're going to put 2 centimeters in our table. 2.0. Okay, so that is our first day of data. We will come back to this another day if we have time for that. And in my next video, I'll demonstrate how to write an analysis as well. Bye.